extra honey mustard garlic chicken to die for. Let's take a half stick of butter here. About that. Big enough skillet for your chicken. Your thighs or your quarters. When we put this, or we're getting ready to brown that chicken, we're going to get ready for some frozen broccoli, some canned potatoes, fresh if you want them, some garlic, some water, some honey mustard. Get that all ready, okay? And preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Go ahead and add that to the chicken. Since I'm cooking for some picky people, I'm only using the florets and not too many of the stalks. Once this is simmered for a while, we need to put this in a 400-degree oven for approximately around 30 minutes. Either if you have an oven-safe skillet, like a cast iron skillet, go ahead and do it in that. You can just pop it straight in the other one. Otherwise, like me, if you don't have one available right now, we're going to move it to a dish, and like I said, pop it in the oven. Potatoes in, over the top, into the oven we go. If you like this video, watch one of my other ones. Hit the subscribe button. I'll see you next time on Randy's Family Kitchen.